What's up guys, today's video is on the best phone in the US 2021, the Samsung Galaxy S21 smartphones you can buy right now. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is the best phone you can buy today, while the smaller, and slightly less capable, Galaxy S20 is so similar that we've lumped the two together. Why it's the best phone? It's the value for money that allows Samsung to win over Apple. The S20 Plus starts at $1,199 and the S20 starts at $999. Yes, it's a price increase from the S10 Plus, and now matches what you'll pay for the Pro-level iPhones, but you're getting bigger screens, more internal storage, a micro SD card slot for expandable storage and 5G, things that you won't find on Samsung's closest competitor. Screen: the Infinity AMOLED displays on both phones 6.2 inches for the S20, 6.7 inches for the S20 Plus, are gorgeous. The notches are both centralized like the Note 10, but they're much smaller this time around, and the S20 Plus only has a single lens. The result: more screen. Also new on the S20 is a 120Hz maximum refresh rate for silky smooth media and gaming, though you'll mostly notice it